Namaskar my dear friends. Let us try to write a program to find sum and average of an array of elements. Okay. So we have an array of elements and we have to find out all the elements summation, like the addition of all the elements, and we will also find out what is the average value of that particular array. Okay. So we'll do that using MATLAB inbuilt functions as well as our manual writing skills. Okay. So first of all, let us write down manually. So let us start one array of element which is going to be, let us say, 20, 30, like that. Okay. So let's say 2 element first, and then we'll increase it to any number of elements we want, right? Now what do we need? We need to find out what is the summation of all the elements, like 20 plus 30 plus something like that. So we'll make it very versatile. Let us say m is a value which is going to be the length of array of the element. Okay. So we'll find out length of a. Okay. So length is found out. Now we'll try to go using for loop. So for I is equal to first element to last element. Okay. And let us say we are going to have a variable s which is going to store all the values of summation. So we can initialize that value s is equal to 0. Okay. So summation is 0 right now, which is assumed. Now I am going to add this summation to all the other element values, right? So s is equal to s plus ai. So ith value of array a will be added to this summation, right? So what will happen? S was 0, so 0 plus 20, so that is 20. Then s will become 20 and 20 plus 30, so that will be 50. Like that it will keep on appending all the values, right? And then we are going to end the for loop. So we have summation as s, right? So you can, if you want, you can display s. So s will be displayed, which is the sum. Okay. If you want, you can write down the printf statement also. Fprintf summation of all elements of array is. Okay. And you can display this value, so that will be there. Now let us find out average value. So what will be the average? The average a can be equal to, average a is our the variable. Okay. So don't consider that this is some keyword. So how we can find out average of any elements? We can find out the summation divided by the length. Very simple formula, right? So this is the thing. And if you want, you can put down same print statement. You can put display s by m, or otherwise you can write down in printf statement itself. So the average of all elements of array is, right? So let us run this program and see what is happening. Okay, so you can see we have sum and average program. A was 20, 30, m is the length, which is 2, so 1, 2, and the summation of all the elements of array is 50. The average of all the elements of array is 25. Now let us quickly do this same thing using MATLAB inbuilt function. So let us say S1 is going to be the summation of all the elements, so that you can utilize a function sum a. Okay, this is an inbuilt function. Okay, inbuilt function on MATLAB. So you can put it s equal to s1 equal to sum a. So s1 will be actually equal to your this s, okay, which you have made it manually, right? So this is a good method to go to the last element. Similar to that, let's say average a 1 I am going to find using the inbuilt function, that is mean. So mean of a, if you do, you don't have to do anything else, it will automatically do that. So that is going to be using inbuilt MATLAB function. Okay. Now let's run and see whether s1 and average 1 is same as summation and average of all elements of arrays, right? So you can see summation was 50, average was 25. Similar to that, S1 is 50 and average one is 25. So let us quickly add some more elements: 50, 100, 300, 400, 500, 59, 8, something like that. Okay. So all these elements, it will quickly do that. Let us run again. So we have changed our array value and we don't have to worry about the total number of values in this is how many? 4 plus 4, 8 values are there. So it has identified m is 8. Summation of all the elements is 1458 and the average of all the elements in the array is 182.25. Similar to that, using MATLAB function also you will be getting same thing, 182.25. So this is how we have completed our code to find out what is the sum of all the elements of array and as well as average to that, right? So thank you. If you do have any questions or any comments regarding this, you can put down your questions in the comment box and we shall be able to answer you out. Thank you.